What's up, guys? I'm Mr. Alan C, and no matter what your gaming style, you're going to love the GTPlayer gaming chair. Take a look at that beautiful white color. Now this has that synthetic premium breathable leather right here, and the GTPlayer headrest right here. This pillow is incredibly soft. Take a look at just the styling, the back support. Absolutely love it. And no matter your gaming style, this has you covered. Here's a built-in Bluetooth receiver right here, so you can link all your Bluetooth devices wirelessly and play the sound right out the surround sound speakers. See it on our Bluetooth list right here. Pair with GTPlayer. That when I play my games on my devices, this music's coming out of the GTPlayer surround sound, and I can adjust the volume and turn it up right here. Listen how loud that gets. Speaker on each side of me, so I have the perfect experience seated playing. That audio is coming out of the chair. And when I adjust the volume on my device, it adjusts the volume coming out of the chair. How cool are those speakers? Loving it, guys. No matter if you're an old school gamer, a new high-tech gamer, or PC gamer, the GTPlayer has you covered. That's right, guys. This has the most incredible design, and when you recline, these recline with you. It's really cool. We got two levers down here. One to recline, go forward, backward. One to go up and down with height. So let's go ahead and try them out. Check this out. The armrests just go right back as you lean back and enjoy that GTPlayer pillow. Oh, it's so comfortable. But let's say you want the ultimate relaxation. You can go ahead and pull out the leg rest. Take a look at this. It flips right out, and we're good to go. How cool is that? You can also slide it in a little if you want, or you just flip it back underneath. You know, you got the wheels, heavy-duty base down there. The wheels, headrest, and lumbar support are detachable, so these can be unhooked and removed if you like. All right, guys, another thing I really like about the GTPlayer, this specific model of chair, is the backrest. It's wider back here, more support. The GTPlayer has you covered. When I'm not at the computer, I'm moving this chair all about my gaming room, using it at my arcade machines, pinball machines. So that's a quick look at the GTPlayer chair with me. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.